Hello everyone. Yesterday we had a very heavy snowstorm in our place in Canada, in the whole Canada, and it was very heavy. That just it was just an overnight snowstorm, but we had a lot of snow, and we had a very tough time shoveling all the place, the driveway and the pathway, and everywhere. There was a lot of snow. But the kids were enjoying with the snow. They were playing in the snow nicely, but still we had a very tough time commuting. And I thought I would share with you all this video so that we can see this.